Hi friends, today we are going to talk about another topic is add set items in Python. You know these add items. So, in the previous lecture we discussed once a set is created, you can't change its items, but you can add new items. But you can add, okay, we can't change item, but you can add new. So, for example 1 simply we are writing that A is equal to quotation academy and project. Okay, then we are writing that A is the A dot, simply we are using add of, we are adding that is college. At the end of this function we can add the function, but how, this add an item to a set using add method, that is actually add of something here. Okay, that add method after then you can write print of A. Okay, we will get that is the starting of the variable, you will get as it is. So, simply we are taking that output is simply that is starting with college, adding that college, next quotation, next academy, next one is project. This is actual output of the above 3 lines. Okay. Next one is add sets. So, that is here to add items from another set into the current set. Then we can use that add set, we are using update of something. For example, if you take that function is we have two sets, A is equal to quotation project academy. We have another set is Hyderabad, Ongole, Tangutur. We have 3 sets. Then with the help of that you can add the function is here A dot, you are using update. Which function you have to update? That is the B function. Then you can write the print of A. After execution of these 4 lines, we will get that result is, first set is as it is function is quotation, next one is project, next one is academy, next Hyderabad, next Ongole, Tangutur. This is the output of this add sets. And next one is add any iterable. That the type of function is here, simply we are using same update method. Generally object in the update method does not have to be set. It can be any iterable object, tuple, list, dictionaries, everything you can get. So, that is update function. Update function not only applicable for sets, that is applicable for all functions. For example, if you take that same functions are, here simply we are having that function is A is equal to This is actual set. Why? Because that is a curl bracket. Then you can take quotation. Next one is project. Next one is academy. Second one is you are taking square bracket, that is nothing but list. Simply you are taking that Hyderabad. Okay. Next Ongole, Tangutur. Like that you will be get. But with the help of a dot update of b. After that you can write the print of a. So you will be get as it is function of this. This is actual output function of this. This is actual concept of Python add set items. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now that add set items that can be represented in terms of this PyCharm. I am taking the same functions, a is equal to always it can be represented as curl bracket, Pune, Goa and Vizag. There are 3 items. All items we are adding one more function. So simply that this is called as simply I am considering this a is equal to simply a dot, we are adding that add, and you can add the new function is that is do delete, that is a new item we need to add to variable a. That's why we are adding add. So this is not a ordered means if you give the first one is Pune, next one is Goa, next one is Vizag, but you will not get the same order, that is unordered concept. So a dot r delete. After that if you write that print of a, one by one you will be get the same concept here. Finally you will be get Goa, Pune, Delhi, Vizag. Next time you will be get the same Goa, like that. First time we are getting Pune, Goa, Pune, Goa, Vizag, Delhi. First one is Pune. Next time you may not get same. Next time you will get Vizag is first. That indicates that this is not unordered. This is not a ordered. Okay. Next time after execution of next time you will be get new. Okay, that is the concept of add. So, but you can add sets also. So this here A is one set and B also it can be represented in terms of this values. The first one is Ongole. Next one is Guntur, always the strings can be represented either single quotation or double quotation. Next one is Bezawada. There are 3 items like that we can take. So now we are adding that update sets. How can you update the sets? Can be represented as here simply that you can represent as update, and which variable we are adding, that variable is B. So we are adding this, then you can print this. Finally we will get the first one is Guntur, Bezawada, Ongole and Vizag, Goa, Pune, like that. Next time you may get different items. Okay, so that is the concept of this Python add set items. Okay, you will not get ordered, but you have get the all items based on A variable as well as B variable. That is the concept. Next, add any iterable function also you can add. So iterable functions means that indicates that the first one is set and second one is and another maybe list or dictionary, whatever the functions you may consider. For example, is the B in terms of curved, not curl bracket. Curl bracket, simply the round brackets. Then we can update these two. Okay, both are also applicable to represent this. Okay, variable A is set, variable B is this one is tuple, but both are adding. You will be get all the data in this function. For example, you may take that the first one is set, the second one is square bracket. What is the meaning of square bracket? The items are stored in list. After execution of this you will be get that. So whatever the parameter it has, but it allows the all type of iterables. So that is the concept of Python add set items. Okay, thank you.